Welcome to Phone Over. If you've been eyeing Google's Pixel lineup but want something more budget-friendly, then the Google Pixel 8 might just be your perfect match. Packed with Google's flagship features at a lower price point, this phone is here to shake up the mid-range market. Let's dive into its design, performance, and everything in between to see if it's worth your money. Design and build. The Pixel 8 maintains Google's signature minimalist design. With its polycarbonate bag, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The familiar camera visor makes a return, housing the upgraded camera sensors. Available in fun colors like sky blue and charcoal gray, the Pixel 8 is as stylish as it is practical. Display. You're getting a 6.1-inch OLED display with a crisp Full HD Plus resolution. And guess what? This time, Google has included a 90 Hz refresh rate, making everything smoother, from swiping through apps to scrolling social media. The slightly smaller size also makes it more comfortable to hold compared to its larger siblings. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 is powered by Google's in-house Tensor G3 chip. This is the same processor found in the flagship Pixel 8, meaning you'll enjoy AI-driven features like real-time language translation and voice typing. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the Pixel 8 handles it effortlessly. Camera capabilities. Now for the star of the show, the cameras. The Pixel 8 features a 12.2 MP main sensor and a 12 MP ultra-wide lens. While the megapixels might not sound groundbreaking, Google's computational photography takes your photos to the next level. From night sight to the new Magic Editor, this phone ensures your shots look professional, even in challenging lighting. Battery life. The 4,385 mAh battery offers all-day performance, and Google's adaptive battery software learns your habits to extend battery life even further. Plus, with 18W fast charging, you can juice up quickly when needed. Software and features. Running on Android 14, the Pixel 8 delivers a clean and intuitive experience. You'll also get 5 years of security updates, ensuring your phone stays protected well into the future. And of course, features like call screening and live translate make it uniquely Google. Pricing and competition. Priced at around $499, the Pixel 8 is a strong contender in the mid-range market. While it faces competition from phones like the Samsung Galaxy A54 and OnePlus Nord 3, its camera performance and software experience give it a clear edge. Conclusion. So, is the Pixel 8 the right choice for you? If you're after flagship-level features without the flagship price, it's hard to beat. What do you think about Google's latest budget-friendly offering? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartphone reviews here at Phone Over. See you in the next video.